then I'll put the concealer in that side. You want that I put too much, or it's already visible, I guess?
Yeah, it's visible.
Yeah, no?
Yeah.
Because it's pigmented. I just do like that. I did not even dab it. That's how you can compare the product if you will buy like not that the brand that it's not known, and then you'll not waste your money.
Already sabi ka po.
Like, see, and if you are going putting contour, so in this contour, in this
I
one,
wanted a contouring stick also.
But ठीक है, play long मच्छी दो लोग.
this powder, no, this
Liquid, no?
Liquid.
Liquid blush also?
Shig lang.
Oh,
Now it look like Queens. Who's the eldest?
I am the
You.
Everyone asks, you know, if they are twins.
They're like almost the same.
Even the
and-
immigration officer asked.
You're here for visit only, madam?
yeah, for visit.
Mm.
We're from India.
Oh, this is also nice for you. Very natural. I'll put more.
Yeah.
I'll put more, huh?
Yeah. Won't be too much, no?
No,
No, it's not visible that.
But for like your age, it's fine na like this. Different na, they are fair. See na.
Yeah, this is good. I know. Kasi bangin do. Ano ma?
Hello, Hindu.
How old are you? So like this blusher is the trend for your age right now.
Lime sorry ഉണ്ട്.
Right now
Lime
we
sorry
have
ഉണ്ട്.
come to a restaurant which is Delhi Darbar to have some North Indian food. And yeah, today's shopping was quite good. I've shared a little bit of glimpses as well in it. And Delhi Darbar because we wanted to have some North Indian food after such a long time, so we're really excited for that. And today then we're gonna go ahead to Global Village. So we've reached Global Village right now. It was around 1 hour drive from Daira, and yeah, there's a lot of crowd today because it's the 31st obviously, so it's gonna be like very chaotic, but let's see. We're hoping to leave from here around 9, so yeah, let's see. Yeah. These are like different places. This is an Indian chaat bazaar. It's been very beautifully made. You can see the Indian chaat bazaar has so many people and so much of crowd over here. That's another place, Jordan. We have like multiple other places, but first I guess we're going to Jordan. Let's see. This is Jordan. Amma, pehle hum Jordan जा रहे क्या?
नहीं, यहाँ से शुरू करेंगे.
There's another place, Turkey, Egypt.
This is the one I showed you.
Right. We've seen all of this in reels. This is KSA, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, and we have like different other places. First, we are going to get some chai, coffee, because we've not been getting it properly since the time we've been here in Dubai. So first we're gonna have chai and then we'll start exploring.
Very nice.
Very nice. എങ്ങനെയുണ്ട് അച്ഛ? എങ്ങനെയുണ്ട് പപ്പ?
चाय कुछ
अच्छा है मेरा भी,
अच्छा लग रहा है।
नाइस, बेटर देन वो होटल वाला।
هذا من اليمن، من السعودية، من أوروبا، من كازاخستان، من روسيا، من هنديا، من كل مكان. بس شغل كله سعودي. شغل في السعودية. أيوة. كم هذا كله؟ هذا كله دسم. يعني 300 200 400 500 في 1000 في 2000 في 3000.
ऐसे में बाल अटक जाएगा, बाल अटक जाएगा इसमें।
हाँ,
പ്ലെയിൻ
നോർമൽ वाला देखो।
എൻ്റെ കയ്യിൽ നീര് ലગાണ്ടൊന്നും ചേർന്നില്ല. I am your first customer, you will get lot of
इंशाल्लाह
business.
इंशाल्लाह माशाल्लाह सीसी
बिस्मिल्लाह बिस्मिल्लाह
خلاص تك I will help you. choose for her.
This what rate you are giving him?
50 60 هو والله هذا ما شاء الله انت سلسل مثل بشر
Too much, huh?
هذا يجوز
Amitabh Bachchan is here. And he is here.
अमिताभ बच्चन من बांग्लादेश really
No.
अमिताभ बच्चन हिंदी طويل बंगाली والله هذا अच्छा लग रहा है والله अच्छा लग रहा है.
Where are you from?
I am from Yemen but mama from Pakistan.
Oh, that's why you know Hindi, huh?
لا يمني كل يعرف شوي ايوه لازم
This is Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, by the way. So we're going to Kuwait because my dad wanted to go over there. So we're gonna see what's there in Kuwait. Okay, so we have entered Kuwait now. Starting with perfumes. ചിരിക്കാതെ ഭംഗിയുണ്ടോ? I got my face painting done and looks so beautiful.
Say stuff, this fruits. Blueberry.
Blueberry, okay.
हाँ, जिंदगी में कुछ भी खराब हो आर्या ने किया है.
तो बेटा बहुत कुछ समझना है जिंदगी में.
Now we're going to Egypt. Just fries and chips. We have Korean skincare.
Yes. Calm.
Next we are planning for Iraq. We went to Saudi Arabia, we got some amazing perfumes and silver rings. Now we're going to Iraq. Now we're going finally to Iraq. We're going to India. We went to Egypt, we went to Jordan, we went to Iraq as well, but we didn't find anything. Now let's go to India, which is so massive. Pashmina handcrafts. Pashmina. You can find Adivasi hair all over here as well. There's so much of Kashmiri textiles and Kashmiri clothes over here. We've come to China now. Green flashes. Peaceful.
Show me this one.
This is nice.
Kida style. Yeah, this one is nice.
You want with you? I give me one.
Yeah.
Ate
We're done with Global Village at 6:48 as expected. We're leaving right now. We did a lot of shopping. We found a lot of amazing stuff. The food was okayish, not bad, but the whole experience was really good. Loved the face painting that they did as well. So yeah, now we're on our way back. So we're done with our trip to Global Village, and now we are leaving to our hotel. So let's book a taxi first.
Hello guys, hope everyone is doing fine, and we have just finished the whole tour of Global Village, and these ladies are telling vidu. I don't know what is vidu. And we know we are on our way to get a bus or a train or a tram or whatever it is, and they want me to speak in Arabic, but they don't know that I speak very bad Arabic. Since they don't know anything about Arabic, my Arabic is classical, that's what they feel. So thank you for your patience, and goodbye and tata.
Happy New Year for
Happy
you.
New Year to you. A very happy New Year 2026. 1 year in advance.
1 year in advance.
Tomorrow let me wish you again for 2025. Thank you.
This is the face painting. Arya, show yours. Arya, show your face. Face painting cutter. Looks good. And today, so yesterday we went to Aya Universe, and we were also supposed to do Miracle Garden as mentioned in the video. Today we decided to go for some shopping, and then Global Village was on our list. Again, talking about Global Village, it's again a must watch if you come to Dubai, because you see so many different countries, and the way people have designed it, the kind of representation they're doing about the countries is beautiful. Be it Jordan, be it Egypt, be it Pakistan, be it India, be it Iraq, call any country and you would find so much of beauty. Especially in India, you would see the Kashmiri Pashmina shawls, you would see so much of textile around and so much of variety. You would definitely love it. So it's like a must like visit. Also, the food is quite average. I've seen so many people share so many reels, but for us the food was quite average, so we didn't spend a lot on food. Rather, we went to different places. Especially in China, we got so many items. We got some cute PJs, the one that I'm wearing right now. It's extremely loose and comfortable. So yeah, we got some sunglasses, we got some bags, and there were a lot of different things. And Global Village is definitely something that you should check out, just to understand each country's culture and their specialities. So yeah, that was it. And again, we were so tired after all of the shopping done in the morning, and then going to Global Village. Coming back is equally hectic. I hope that you have an amazing new year, an amazing 2025. And yeah, I'm so happy to be celebrating like my New Year's over here in Dubai, and I am manifesting more such travels in the upcoming year. Also to mention tomorrow's schedule. Tomorrow we are obviously leaving, but our flight is at midnight at Abu Dhabi, so we will be leaving around 10 or 11. And till that time we have some relatives, we have some friends whom we have to meet, and a little bit of shopping. So I'm not sure if I can vlog a lot, but yeah, all the vlogs that I'm having right now, I'm extremely happy of how much I've been able to cover. Places obviously vlogging isn't allowed, but some places I've managed to capture some beautiful videos and shots as well. So yeah, that was it about the updates about tomorrow. If I find something you know, good enough to vlog, I will definitely vlog it and share it as well.
The next day.
So we've come to Daira City Center, which is one of the biggest shopping malls, and we are currently going to Carrefour to buy some essentials. Looking for some perfumes. ये अच्छा नहीं है, ये वाला ट्राई कर आइए। क्लब VIP वही देख रहे नहीं, ये भी मेंस है इधर। बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं आया। Also have lashes, fake lashes, press-on nails, and a lot of other products in terms of makeup as well. In terms of like makeup as well, you have so much of accessories over here. Ready to eat, salads, everything is available. क्या रेट है ये? ये सर ये डिफरेंट क्वालिटी है। I was looking out for something in red sauce. This one's good. I want to take this, but I'm not sure if they'll handle it properly. Pesto chili, arrabbiata. This is this is the arrabbiata sauce. You also have other sauces. Arrabbiata, I think I'll give this a shot. Even in terms of Maggi, I'll show you the variety I've been talking about. See, these are some instant noodles, and then we have Maggi in chicken flavor, curry flavor. If you've not had curry Maggi, you're missing out on a lot of things. And then you can see vegetable Maggi, tom yum, hot and spicy. You can see the amount of variety, and those are the Indian flavors. Special Maggi and this one. But yeah, these are some things that you should definitely try. Salad options over here. Let's see what it is. So these are ready-made salad options. Yeah, that was it for this week's video. If you like this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you soon in a new video. Till then, bye bye.